This is Activity 4.2 on page 55, Formatting a Chart. We have My Charts, Develitech, New Product, Internal Release, Presentation open. After adding the chart to the presentation, you decide you don't like the type of chart you selected. You decide to change the type of chart and add some formatting. You also notice the chart is not properly titled, so you will have to add it. Number 1, change the chart to another chart type. Make sure you're on slide number 12, and we're going to select our chart. Again, make sure that you select that outside border and not an individual element inside of the chart. Then we can go up to our Chart Tools Design Contextual tab, and in our Type command group, we're going to select Change Chart Type. This opens up our dialog box. The category that we're going to select is bar, and the subtype that we want to select is the first option of clustered bar. Click on that and select OK. Number 2, resize and reposition the chart. On our Format Contextual tab, we're going to select the dialog box launcher in our Size command group, and this will open up our Format Chart Area task pane to the right. We want to check off Lock Aspect Ratio so that when we increase or decrease the height, then the width will do the same and vice versa. We're going to change the scale height to 90%. So we're going to decrease our height to 90%, and you can see that is also going to decrease the scale width to 90%. And we want to center the bar chart on the slide. So with your chart still selected, from your Align drop-down, you can align center and then also align middle. Number 3, modify the chart title. We're going to select the Format Contextual tab, and in the Current Selection command group, we're going to select the chart elements drop-down, and we're going to select Chart Title. So now our chart title is selected, and we're just going to select this text and update it to Sales Projections. And you could click anywhere outside of that chart title to deselect it. Next, we're going to modify the layout of the chart. So select your chart to get that outside border again. We're going to go up to our Design Contextual tab, and in our Chart Layouts command group, we're going to select Add Chart Element drop-down, go down to Legend. Right now our legend is positioned at the bottom. We're going to change this and position it to the right of our chart. Next, we're going to modify the colors used in our chart. In our Chart Styles command group, in our Chart Styles command, which is our paintbrush to the right of, in the top right of our chart, we're going to select the Color tab at the top. And from our Colorful section, we're going to choose Colorful Palette number 3. And you can click anywhere outside to close that chart style button out. Number 6, format the chart area. Again, select your chart, and on your Format Contextual tab in your Current Selection group, from your Elements drop-down, we're going to select Chart Area. And then with that selected, click on Format Selection. In our Format Format Chart Area task pane. Make sure that your Fill and Line tab is selected, and then we're going to expand the fill section. We're going to select a solid fill, and then from your color gallery, we're going to select white background 1. So that should be your first option. All right, we're going to go up to our quick access toolbar and save our changes, and we can leave this open for our next activity.